Hello and thank you for joining me in this video. We're going to be talking about how to make money selling handmade goods. Let's just get into the information that I have for you. Selling crafts online is a type of side hustle that has a very low barrier to entry, which means there are millions of people doing it these days. The good news is that most are purely in the hobby phase and will not pose any real competition if you decide to get extremely serious about making money making things. That means that big money awaits those who have a high degree of creativity as well as an even higher degree of technical and marketing skills required to break through the competitive crowd of things made at home for sale on sites like Etsy. So let's begin with the technical side. Basically, things you'll need in order to be successful online. SEO is probably the most important skill you need in order to make money selling handmade products. You'll need to rank high on multiple sites to generate traffic to your product listing or store. For example, to make it on Etsy, it is well known that you not only need to rank high on Etsy but Google as well in order to grow. The SEO skill set includes understanding how to do keyword research, how to gauge the strength of competitors who are ranking higher than you, and figure out how to outrank them, but also the skill of link building. If you are not currently aware of how to do your SEO, not to worry. There is an abundance of information to help you at any stage. Just be aware it is a complicated process to understand, and learning will take a lot of time. Other technical skills that might be needed will include website design for those looking to make their own store or on sites like Shopify or Big Cartel. Although they provide templates and themes, if you're a beginner, it could be a bit overwhelming trying to figure everything out. Now let's talk about marketing, something that you'll need to start doing before you even decide what to make and sell. Marketing involves finding a target market or a group of people who want or need what you're going to make, figuring out who else is making them and if they are successful at it, and making sure there are enough potential customers to meet and sell to. Of course, there's a lot more to it than that, but those are the basics. From there, you can create a strategy on how to get in front of your target market with things like SEO, as mentioned before, paid ads, social media, and even promotional giveaways. Now it's time to decide what you will sell. When you think of craft items, it's usually a handmade necklace or a knitted blanket, but the options are truly unlimited. There are some craft makers who've made big bucks creating custom Raspberry Pi cases, like the mini computers, wallets made out of recycled tire tubes, even things like survival kits stuffed into paracord bracelets. Whatever you do, don't make something that shoppers can easily make on their own at home or easily get the instructions to with a quick search on Google. Lastly, here are a few places to eventually sell your products online. The first being Etsy, of course, probably the best place to start because you don't have to worry about paying for hosting or anything like that. All you have to do is pay 20 cents to list an item and you're in business. Of course, it helps if you can find new items to list on a regular basis so your store doesn't look empty when shoppers arrive. Once you start making money on Etsy, it's time to grow into your own store. The best options include Big Cartel and Shopify, but both offer a high quality e-commerce website where you can further build a brand. A few other sites to consider is Amazon, which has the Amazon Handmade for sellers. If the item is high quality and well packaged and photographed with established sale numbers, expand into curated marketplaces like fancy.com and scoutmob.com. Don't forget offline opportunities to make sales as well. Things like festivals and craft fairs could offer you an income boost as well as needed exposure for your store. Now, I hope this info has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
The clouds at night was born to fight. Mythical, so mystical, think what will